Maria Villarreal, and today we're in Mission, Texas, touring this beautiful new construction home consisting of 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and approximately 2,000 square feet. So let's take a look. You are welcomed into your new home with a beautiful dark wood front door, a smart lock for keyless entry, an open floor concept, and stunning porcelain tiles throughout the home. In the kitchen, you have a spacious and inspiring kitchen island, quartz countertops, a flat-top stove, walk-in pantry, and beautiful white soft-close cabinetry. The primary bedroom is large, with a gorgeous ensuite master bath, boasting pristine double vanity sinks. Rainfall shower head, porcelain tiles restroom walls, and walk-in closet with built-in drawers. Secondary bedrooms are great for guests, kids, or can be used as a home office, highlighting tall windows, allowing lots of natural lighting, decorative high ceilings, and walk-in closets. Large sliding doors connecting the living area with a spacious backyard. A covered patio, outdoor ceiling fan, plus a guest bath with access to the backyard. The home is also equipped with a sprinkler system, LED lighting, and spray foam insulation for energy efficiency.